Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay Zalando invoice or pay by invoice on Zalando. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Zalando web account or web application, which of course I've done right here. And the next thing is I'm going to show you exactly how you can create an account on Zalando pretty quick and easy. First things first, launch your browser, any browser of your choice. And once you do that, locate the search bar of the browser. In the search bar, type Zalando.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Zalando. Once you get into the website, top right corner, go ahead and click on the sign up button and follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your own account. And once you've done this successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of activities to have a great time in Zalando. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's class, which is how to pay by invoice in Zalando. So here's how you can pay by invoice. Now, if you choose to pay by invoice, payment for your order will be due within 14 days of receiving shipping confirmation. All right, so this means that if you don't want to pay directly online and you want to pay by invoice, you want to receive the package and then pay by invoice, this is what you should know. Now, Zalando will let you know as soon as your order has left the building and is reaching your destination. And they will also send a friendly reminder when the payment due date is around the corner. Okay? And then you only need to pay for the items that you keep. And if you return items, the amount will be refunded after they have processed the return. What does this imply? It implies that, of course, you make payment after you have received the product, right? And it said it is due within the 14 days of receiving shipping confirmation. And they're going to send you a reminder when payment due date is around the corner. So once your order has left the building and shipping has been confirmed, they're going to give you that information to update you on the process so you can track your goods. Now, they say you only need to pay for items that you keep. So the items that you have kept with Zalando are what you should pay for. And then if you returned any item, the amount will be refunded after they have processed the return. Now, here's how you can pay. All right, so this is the bank details, all right, available for those who want to pay by invoice. It said our bank details for SEPA transfers. We have PE, Zalando payments, GmbH, and then you have the IBAN, which is this, and then BIC, which is this, and then reference. The reference is where you're going to add your order number. All right, so please note down your order number here. So once you have done all of this, okay, and you have made payment, that's just going to be, so you consent to the assignment of the seller's claims for payment of the purchase price to third parties, in particular to Zalando payments GmbH. All right, so that's if you're using this. So to say if you receive, you have to know that if you receive several orders in one parcel, you will only find one payment slip for all items in the parcel. So keep in mind that the items belong to different orders and that all orders should be paid separately. And then you can find an overview of your ordered items in your account. So you should also know that you should also know, these are things you should also know, pay the items you keep, all right, within 14 days after your order has been shipped, all right, and then pay each order separately using the order number as payment reference. And if you return items, they will reduce the open amount after processing your return. And if you already paid for the order, the refund will be credited back to your bank account. So if you want to get further information, you can just read all of this, all right, below. But this is just pretty much how you can go through that, how you can pay by invoice if you don't want to pay directly on Zalando. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.